Hello everyone. In this chapter, we are going to discuss about the dynamic content feature available in account engagement. So before we jump into dynamic content feature, let's understand how dynamic content, helps within the marketing activities that we do. So dynamic content will, allow us to create reusable blocks of text, then images, then links, or maybe dates to that are used to send a personalized emails. Even you can have some blocks for landing pages for your prospects as well. So what exactly the dynamic content does, that is allows you to change the content uh, that prospect sees in the email based on the criteria or the specific field value. Like again, a criteria based content that you can, define for your prospects. And you can use dynamic content to, increase the form conversions and increasing the landing page relevancy, showcasing the specific content to the specific clients, or maybe whatever the data that you want. Then that can also help us to increase the email clicks. Then there are some things that needs to be considered when we use the dynamic content, because there are some limitations. So the dynamic content can only be used with the classic email builder. Okay. So this is like you won't get a advanced level email editor over there. Then email templates can, a one single email templates can have around max, 10 dynamic content that you can add in one email template. In case if you are creating a email, if you are creating blocks or image block or two column blocks for your emails, using a dynamic content feature, you need to be very sure for that part, that you can, only add up to 10 dynamic content pieces. Now, to find the dynamic content, you need to go to the content. Under content, you will see dynamic content. And yes, here we go. So I have some created. Let's look at that first. So this is how dynamic content we have that is created, like it's for a signature. Okay, see this dynamic content is based on the field country. Then the default content is this, that okay, best regards. This is the default content. Then variations that we have added, that if it's in US, then it will come hello, I'm from USA. If it's in UAE, hello, I'm from UAE. India, then India. Okay. Now, when we go to the email, okay, and let's try to add dynamic content over here to understand that how that will come. So here in this section, let's add the dynamic content. See, it automatically picks up the default content, and then as per the value, you will be able to see the details. Okay, so meanwhile, it should come. We'll preview it. Meanwhile, default content should. Okay, so there's no country. Let's see if we have some country over there. Mostly all my data is not having a country added. See, this the person is from UAE, so hello, I'm from UAE. Is correct. So this is how dynamic content will come, display. Now let's go and, create the dynamic. So let's create. So we'll need to go for add dynamic content. We'll use some name. We'll take tag demo. You can have your define, let's say. Okay, so this is the classic builder. You can add it over here. Still, you have your, you can have HTML also added over here, but you need to be very sure when you are using HTML. Uh, it might there might have alignment issues, so you need to be very properly place the HTML code over here. Default would be uh, let's say hey girl, hey there. Mm, have to offer you a New Year buy coupons for your first purchase with ABC Fashion Company. Best will do save. Then we will give variations are based on who, which field. I need to select my custom field from here that okay, which field will be deciding that, let's say last time we considered country, right? What would be the field uh, will we can use, that is, let's say, mm, maybe I don't have a birth date over here. So maybe let's try to use um, source, and if source is from website, then there here also you can have a first name. Here also you can add a personalized screen. Okay, so okay, have to offer you the New Year 2025 40%. Congratulations. And we will copy this here. We'll add another variation if it's from, let's say, social media. Let's referral. If the prospect is a referral, We don't do that, but no issues. Here we can give the first name. I want to offer you the your coupon of 40%. Congratulations and save. Now, accordingly, now after this thing, everything is done. You can still add the variations if you want, and then you can save. After saving this, you'll be able to see the data like this, and then yeah, go on an email, and then you can upload. You can have this dynamic content over there. Even you get the code and put this dynamic code as well into your email. I don't think testing tools are required, but you can, anytime you can have and use this for testing purpose. Not that much required. You can directly go and view in the email by previewing the email. Then you'll get the result the same way like we did. So I hope this dynamic content, feature would be helpful, for your ongoing or upcoming project. So yeah, all the best. Yes, thank you so